everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to show you guys or share with you guys my version of glass skin makeup. So without further ado, let's start. So always start with skincare. So since I just wake up, naligo na ako, already washed my face. Now let's move to moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer that I've been using. This is the Nature Republic Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. And I've been using this one ever since I was in college. Tas natigil because I explored other moisturizers. And then I went back to it kasi inuwian ako nung katrabaho ko si Ate Shen nito from Korea. So thank you so much Ate Jen. And ayan. So ito na ulit yung ginagamit ko. I'll just moisturize my face. I really love how this moisturizer is water-based and once it dries out, parang wala kang nilagay sa face mo. Pero it has a lot of benefits coming from aloe vera, of course, since yun yung base niya, yung aloe vera. We all know that aloe vera has a lot of benefits. One is it promotes hair growth. So whenever I use this on my face, napapansin ko na kumakapal yung kilay ko tsaka yung lashes ko. So yun yung gusto ko sa kanya. So since we are doing a glass skin makeup, I'm going to use another moisturizer. And this one is from Charis. It's their MAdecassoside Cica cream. This one itself, pag ito yung ginamit mo, it gives you that plump glass skin glow talaga. So kahit wala ka ng base, ito na lang yung ginamit mo, okay na. Pero later on, we're going to use something na nakaka-bright naman ng face. Kasi this is only purely moisturizers. Pero regarding the color or fair skin, it remains the same. Alam niyo na lagi kong ginagamit tong moisturizer na to sa lahat ng makeup tutorials ko. Kasi thick consistency na enough lang para maging barrier with from your skin to your makeup or base makeup para hindi siya nagka-clog sa pores mo. So I'm just waiting for this one to dry out para makapag-proceed na tayo sa next step, which is my makeup base. So for our next step is I'm going to use this Peach Glow makeup base from Peach C. At sobrang ganda nito sa makeup base. If you're using super matte na foundation, nakaka-add siya sa glow na parang ginagawa niyang hydrated matte. Ang gusto ko rin kasi sa kanya, this makeup base itself, kahit hindi ka na mag-foundation, nag-a-add nga siya nung parang yung radiance. Pero as you apply it to your skin, it changes into this really light peach color na sobrang light lang. So I'll just put this all over my skin. Okay, so now before I proceed to anything else, I'll just do my brows first. Since I've been doing this natural bushy brows, and I'll just make a new tutorial kasi medyo mahaba to if I will just put it in here. So watch out for that. Or you can watch my previous video kasi I explained it step by step in that video. So if you wanna do that, you can go ahead and I'll link it here. Dito ba? Dito. Basta dyan, lalabas. Okay, so for our next step, magko-concealer lang ako kasi since hindi na nga tayo gagamit ng foundation para kung ano yung glow nung Peach Glow makeup base, yun na yun. So ngayon, i-conceal ko lang yung mga parts na hindi ko gusto, like my under eyes, tsaka yung siguro mag-highlight din ako ng konti. Highlight as in forward ko lang yung ibang parts ng face ko para magmukha siyang may dimension. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and this is in the shade medium. I'll just blend it using my fingers. And now, of course, we're going to move to blush. And I'm going to use this one, again, the Matte Colorstick in the shade Doll Face. Since this is cream, and pag gawa-gawa ka talaga ng glass skin makeup, you have to stay away from powder.
Start your computations.
And now, I'm just going to add a little shimmer on my lid. And I'm going to use this one from VTxBTS, their collaboration with BTS. This is their Stay It Twin Shadow. I'll just lightly pack it in on my lid. So I can also use this as a highlighter on my tear ducts. Now we're going to move to mascara, and I'm going to use this one from Maybelline. This is their Total Temptation Waterproof Hydrofuge Mascara since ito sobrang light ng formula niya. And if you will curl your lashes and then apply this, pag natuyo na siya, kung ano yung pwesto niya nung natuyo siya, ganun na siya all day. So this is a really great mascara. So I'll just curl my lashes first. Tingnan nyo naman yung difference pag may mascara at saka walang mascara, diba? Sobrang ganda talaga ng mascara nito. Okay, so now we're almost done and I'm just going to move to my lips and we're going to use this Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit, and this is in the shade Wine is the Answer, since this has that maroonish red shade na I like. And it's also a high shine lipstick, so yun. Okay, so that's my lips. Para siyang merong konting glow na parang natural, healthy glow lang. Pero if you want to add more glow, of course, since this is a glass skin makeup, so you have to be all shiny and stuff. I'm going to use this Lucas Papaw Papaya Ointment as a lip balm, since this adds to that glow talaga. Tas healthy pa siyang gamitin kasi this is an ointment. I think now we're done with our makeup, and ayan, very easy and very natural looking pa din naman. And ayan, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this tutorial and I hope you liked this video. And if you have any video suggestions or content suggestions, you can comment it down below, and there, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!